E in the Educational Museum. Wow, this museum is so big. Let's find all the E words.
I'm ready. I bet we'll find some cool stuff today.
Fly high to find things from the air.
E is for electricity. Look at that huge spark.
It's like a mini lightning storm. Electrifying.
Wow, I feel the energy buzzing all around.
E is for evolution. Dinosaurs once roamed the earth.
Whoa, they were huge. So cool.
Whoa, they were huge. So cool.
E is for eagle. Look at those baby eagles.
Caw. Eagle calls are so cool. And those feathers?
I can see the whole exhibit from here. E for eagle is amazing.
E is for engraving. These stones have messages from so long ago.
Look at the details. E for engraving is truly special.
E is for evidence. This bone is ancient.
It's small but important. Evidence helps us learn.
This museum has so many discoveries.
Today was amazing. We found so many E words. Electricity, evolution, eagle, engraving, evidence.
E for education was the best.
We did it. Can't wait for the next adventure.
Let's draw letter E. Pull down. Across at the top. Across at the middle. And across at the bottom.
Now we learned E, let's learn F. In the next part. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.